what is Selenium. So I open the google.com. I'll navigate to the website called Selenium, and if you just type Selenium in search box, you will get the first link called selenium.dev. So this is the official website for the Selenium. So here you will find all the detailed documentation and everything about Selenium. But if you are starting learning, and if you don't know anything about Selenium, so you will get all the information here, and I'm here to help you how you can go through this documentation. So on this website, first line you will see Selenium automates browser. That's it. Yes, this is correct. So Selenium can automate a browser. So means on the browser, let's say any browser, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge, you open a different kind of websites. All the websites or applications are a part of browser, right? So whatever the things you perform in a browser, that you can automate using a Selenium. Okay, so let's take an example. You log into the Amazon website, you search some product, you add that product to the cart, and you can purchase or make an order of that product. Or you refresh the page, you close the browser, you open the browser, and so all these things are possible using the Selenium. We can automate that. Okay, and what is the use of Selenium? So because Selenium is very popular because it is open source, it supports multiple languages and multiple platforms. So what does mean by multiple platform? So Selenium, you can do the automation on Windows operating system, Mac operating system also. Also it supports some other operating system as well. Okay, and it is freely available. It is open source. And another thing is it supports multiple languages. So we will see that also here in this documentation, what are the languages are supported. But I hope now you got the basic understanding what is Selenium. Okay, so Selenium is not a one tool or something. It has a three different projects, and combinedly it makes the testing platform. So if you see here, getting started, we have Selenium WebDriver, Selenium IDE, and Selenium Grid. So here you will find some more details about what is WebDriver, what is IDE, what is Grid, and you can read more also. Okay, so which tool we use for automation in real-time projects? So we will be using a Selenium WebDriver. Okay, also some project uses Selenium Grid also. Or not only Grid, this is the main factor, Selenium WebDriver. Along with Selenium WebDriver, we can use different things like Selenium Grid. We'll be using some third-party dependencies. We'll see in next lecture what is all these things, dependencies and all. But here you just need to understand this Selenium WebDriver will help you to automate a browsers. And you can maintain, create a framework, very robust framework using the Selenium WebDriver. Selenium ID, it is a simple plugin. It is an extension available for Chrome browser and Firefox browser. Using that, you can just simply play and record. That's it. You can see here Chrome, Firefox, Edge. That is, it is not any kind of special installation is not required for Selenium ID. This Selenium ID installation and demo also you can check out my next video. Detailed video is there, separate video for Selenium ID. And Grid is an advanced topic that we will see in at the end once we learn the Selenium WebDriver, because Selenium Grid is used to run the test cases parallelly on different operating system. Okay, so we'll be learning the Selenium WebDriver. So you can go through my next video about Selenium ID. After that, we will start with the WebDriver. For WebDriver, we need to select any one language, as it supports multiple languages. You can see here, if you just go to this link, you will find more detail about languages supported. So here you can see Java, Python, C#, Ruby, JavaScript, Fortran. All these languages are supported by Selenium WebDriver. So we'll be using the Selenium language, and this is how you can see the syntax and all. Some sample codes are available here. So I have created the series where you will find uh, first you will find Selenium ID, then Java installation, then IntelliJ IDE installation, and then you will learn more about how to do the scripting in a Selenium WebDriver. Thank you.
Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get latest video updates.